Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and bring your friends and family on over. My voiceover does not really work on the new phone, so we are going to save these voice clips from Messenger. Anyway, let's get started. For 2 days, I've been super busy organizing, and let's just see the clip. And the following clips are pretty self-explanatory. What I did was I took several different plastic bags and I organized my paper products and my labels and stickers, and that way they are easier to find when I start my junk journaling again. And I also made a very easy bookmark that pretty much anybody can make. I was just having fun messing around. I could do a little bit better than what I made, but hey, I was standing up and I was getting tired.